Hello guys, I'm Shanmugapriya, lecturer in SNS College of Allied Health Science. In the last section, we have seen about anesthesia machine. In that, we have seen intermediate and low pressure system. So we have to see or start from the safety features of rotameter. So intermediate pressure system is over. Then low pressure system, we are going to see about rotameter, safety features of rotameter. So in safety features of rotameter, this position of flow meter tube is most important. The most vulnerable point of leakage is the junction of flow meter tube and common manifold at the top of the machine. If oxygen tube is upstream, it can leak at 6 position. While if it is in the downstream, here we denote towards the patient called as downstream, then the possibility of leakage is only at 2 points. Therefore, oxygen tube must be positioned or must be in the most downstream. That is, oxygen should be at the last gas to enter the rotameter. You can see clearly in this image. Then in oxygen nitrous ratio controller or oxygen nitrous proportionating device, oxygen and nitrous oxide control knobs are interconnected by a pulley in such a manner that the rotation of nitrous oxide knob will automatically start oxygen flow, making it impossible to deliver singular flow of nitrous oxide. This ensures a minimum FiO2 delivered concentration of oxygen of 25%, which is mandatory to prevent hypoxia. Fluorescent back panel of rotameter so that it can be visualized in the dark. Rotameters are hand calibrated to minimize errors. They are anti-static to prevent sticking of bobbin to flow meter tubes. Other types of flow meter, we have hind spring flow meter. It is used in past. It consists of a metal trapper tube with inverted back float. The upper end projects in the glass tube. Then we have kernel flow meter. Again, it is used in past. It contains a round float bobbin. Reading was taken from the center of the float. Then here comes the vaporizer. It is the most important topic that is asked in our exam papers. So vaporizer are the device which are used to deliver inhalational agents. These inhalational agents are basically in liquid form in the vaporizer. As the inhalational agents are volatile, fresh gases passing over the agent vaporizes them and their vapors get incorporated in fresh gases to be delivered to the patient. Vaporizer material should have high specific heat and high thermal conductivity. As copper possesses these properties, vaporizers are made up of copper. In the last few decades, there has been a continuous development in vaporizer. Old vaporizers of the past, like ether bottle, Trilon bottle, and Goldman vaporizer, has been replaced by newer vaporizers such as Tech 5, Tech 6, a heated and pressurized vaporizer specifically designed for desflurane, or Tech 7. Then Aladdin casket vaporizer is the latest vaporizer which can be used to deliver all inhalational agents. It just requires insertion of color coded cassette of each agent. Rest everything is automatically adjusted by the vaporizer. Then the characteristics of vaporizers, it is temperature compensated. The vaporizer output not affected by changes in the temperature which occurs due to vaporization of inhalational agents. Variable bypass, by rotating the dial knob, it can be decided how much gas will pass through the vaporizer, how much to be bypassed. Therefore, it is called as splitting ratio. This decides the concentration of anesthetic agent to be delivered, that is, at 5% concentration, most of the gas will pass through vaporizer, and at 0.1%, most of the gas will be bypassed. Overflow, that is, gas flow passes over the agent. Other tube is bubble through in which gas flows through the agent. Then it is not affected by the pumping effect. Outside the circuit, it is placed outside the circuit. It is agent specific. Although all vaporizer used nowadays are agent specific. However, the agents with similar vapor pressure can be used interchangeably. For example, halothane and isoflurane with some identical vapor pressure can be interchangeable with accurate delivery. Sequence of vaporizer. One machine contains more than one vaporizer at a time. The agent with lower boiling point should be placed first, near to the rotameter. Otherwise, condensed particles will be recovered from the second vaporizer. So this table shows the boiling point and vapor pressure of sevoflurane, halothane and isoflurane and desflurane. Safety features of vaporizer. Newer vaporizers are agent specific. They have a special key filling system specific for each agent. There are color coded markings mentioned on vaporizers. The dial knob and filling system are also of same color. Color code red halothane, purple isoflurane, yellow sevoflurane, blue desflurane. Interlock devices to prevent more than one vaporizer to be turned on at one time at the same time. Then we have one-way check valve. It is placed just before the anesthesia machine outlet to prevent backflow effect of positive pressure ventilation. Thank you.